In this video, we will be introducing the Piscepio Glass Jar with wood lid. This small food storage container is perfect for storing a variety of ingredients and will add a touch of style to your kitchen decor. The Piscepio Glass Jar is made of high-grade borosilicate glass, known for its exquisite craftsmanship and high temperature resistance. This glass jar is not only thinner and lighter than regular glass, but it is also scratch and break resistant, making it durable and long-lasting. One of the standout features of this jar is its creative design. The cork round ball lid not only adds a touch of beauty to the jar but is also waterproof, ensuring that your ingredients stay protected and dry. This design is not only functional but also adds an elegant touch to your kitchen. This glass jar is not limited to just storing food items. It can also be used as a stylish adornment for any style of home decoration. Whether it's in the kitchen, restaurant, hotel, bar, or at exhibitions, this jar will add a touch of sophistication to any setting. With a capacity of 500 megaliters, this jar is perfect for storing and preserving a variety of ingredients including preserves, jams, chutneys, rice, sugar, flour, tea, coffee, herbs, spices, biscuits, and even dried flowers like lavender and rosebuds. The possibilities are endless. Not only is the Piscepio Glass Jar functional and versatile, but it also makes a perfect gift. Its creative and fashionable design will surely impress your loved ones, making it a great choice for birthdays, weddings, or any other special occasion. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use in other countries. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. So, if you're looking for a stylish and practical storage solution, look no further than the Piscepio Glass Jar with wood lid. It's time to elevate your kitchen decor and organize your ingredients in style. Don't miss out on this exquisite piece. Thank you for watching.